why they picked Colorado Springs, but I told her not to. I said you could.
Hey, you gonna pick all of that up?
Say yeah.
Bet your ass you are. Sorry.
Thank you.
Let me stab it for you. There you go. May I have my fork back?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You gotta eat something, Jonah. You can't not
Want some
eat.
cabbage? No? Don't like cabbage? Think it's good. Good.
Where's his food? Give him a bite of his food.
There you go. Thank you.
Wood. A little piece of corned beef on his arm, and he saw it.
Oh, that's yours.
So he picked it up, put it in his mouth.
You're gonna eat that one.
Took it out and slapped it on the table.
Put it down. Put it down. Put it back. I'll get it for you.
No.
There you go. Good carrots. Good carrots.
Oh. I trained you well. She had a knife.
We have to cut it.
Oh my goodness. Oh.
That.
Just sit up and you'll be okay.
I won't be okay until I get out, Daddy.
Yeah.
You want a cracker, sweetheart?
What's the matter, General?
You want a cracker?
Can I have a napkin? Come on. I got it.
You want a cracker? You want a cracker? What about a pretzel?
You want a pretzel?
Ooh.